Hi, this is Chris at the Wandering Bull. In front of me is the components to make this nice deerskin 11-inch bag with fringe. Also, the bag has a drawstring top and some crow beads. So, the components consist of the multiply sinew, the white sage, a pair of pliers. The pliers are designed to help you pull that glover's needle when you're constructing the bag. We have beads, lace for the top, and your leather bag's going to come in two sections. This is the fringe piece, this is the upper, and on this bag I put the suede side out and that smooth side is on the inside. You can see that in the fringe. We've put all this together in a bundle package for the month of March, so you can go to the website, and as I said, it's $40.95 for all the components. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 1-800-430-2855 or jump on the website. Thanks for watching.